As you can see, if I open my Gmail or Apple in my Android phone, you can see I'm getting chat options here. You see I have a chat option here, so which means I can start a new chat and chat with new friends with using uh, Gmail, Apple, or using my email. I can search for persons or to write to, so I type the email there. If I want to find someone to be sending the email, then I start sending the email to that person. I can even also create a new space so that I can be chatting with a group of people via Gmail. So now let's see how we can create new chat. So chat on your Gmail app so that you can be able to chat with someone as well as you chat via WhatsApp. You can be using a Gmail app or Gmail account to chat with someone as you used to chat with someone on WhatsApp. So follow the steps for this video. If you did not subscribe to this channel, no Max TV, subscribe today. Like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn on the notification bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at or Max TV. So now I'm going to open my Gmail. So I log into my Gmail. So Gmail login. You have to log into your Gmail account. So now I click enter. So once I click enter, so you can see I get the option to log into my Gmail account. I can log in via these options, this menu. Then I hit Gmail. So after hitting Gmail, you can see I'm logging into my account. So after logging into my account, I'm going to the settings options there at the top. You can see I see the settings option at the top here. This one I'm going to use. And if you are looking here well, you can see the features I'm having here, and you will be seeing the change that is going to be happening after I have already enabled my chat option in my Gmail account. So now let's do this and go to this settings option. So I click settings. When I click settings here, you can see I click it and allow it to be uh, the one of the features which I'm going to be flowing. Yes. So now after clicking on this icon of settings, I click see all settings. You see all settings. I hit see all settings. So after clicking the see all settings, you can see I get various options of settings also in the menu. So in these options is the one which I'm going to be using to be enabling the chat options in my Gmail account. So I'm going to come here on chat and meet. So when I come here on chat and meet, so you can see this one when you are there in general. You see the options, labels, inbox, accounts and imports, filters and broken addresses, forwarding, add-ons, chat and meets, advanced offline themes. So you can come here on chat and meets because the one you are going to be using also to enable our chat option, chat and meets. After clicking chat and meets, I come here. You see now this option is turned off. Once this option is turned off, as you see, this is a chat and this is a Google chat. So once this option is turned off, it means that you are not allowed to be using this chat option in your Gmail account, maybe on your Android phone or any other device. So what you have to do, we have to set this option on. So to enable this, you have to click here on this option, Google Chat. So let's enable this button. So after enabling this button, you can see now it is enabled. What you have to do is to save the changes. We have to save the change to make sure that our changes have been configured. And also, let me click on change. So once I click change, so you see after that it is refreshing itself, which says that my chat option also is set there. So let's wait to see if our chat option has been enabled in our Gmail account. So we have to wait and see if it has been enabled in our Gmail account. So you see now they start bringing a new feature saying that everything starts here. Switch between mail, chat, spaces, and meet to show their full menus. So I can click that. So once I click that is what I was telling you now before. You see now here there is chat options, there is a spaces, there is a meet. So you see there is a Gmail. You can see now my Gmail has been already changed. You see my Gmail features has been already changed. So which means now I can be able to chat. To start a chat, you see I can hit on this chat. When I put my cursor there, you see they bring an option to start a new chat. I can start chatting with a new person. So what to do when you want to chat with a new person, you can be searching that person you want to chat with. For example, yes. Now you have to type email so that you can be chatting with that person. So now you enter the email. Once you entered the email, also they say that this person is away. So once this person is away, you have to start also typing. He will be getting the message when he's on chat. So for example, let me type the email here. Press OK. So now you say, hey, I'm joining new chat. So once you sent a message to him or to her, so he's going to get the message and he will be replying to a message when available or not. So you see now the message has gone. So but this person is going to get a notification that I sent a chat to this person. I can be sending as many as message as possible. If I want to be sending, I can send attachment to via chat. I can create a space is a group, which means it's a group where many people will be meeting together to chat or to discuss, to talk in the same area as like you can be chatting in the WhatsApp group or other areas. So now let's go back to settings options and show you how you can even be customizing these chat options. I go back to all settings. So after I went back to all settings, you can see. So now I come back to chat and meets. After coming here, I can also manage chat settings. To manage chat settings, it means you want to manage where you want your chat to be, how you want to be it. So do you want to open notifications that will be coming to your Android phone? How do you want to be sending the messages, blocked pop-up, people? So you see. Receive an email if you haven't read message. Yes, notification you can choose. Yes, like this, or you can choose the one. Yes, so it's you who's going to be choosing, right? Yes, so you are only the one who is going to be setting the options that is going to be showing you. You can enable desktop notifications so that every person who is going to be sending a message, you will be getting it. You can be even also allow chat notifications. You can turn them on, so on or off if you want. So now you can even come here and choose where do you want your chat to be located. As you have found that is located on the left side of my computer, you can choose where you want this option to be located. You see on the left side of the inbox, show the mid section in the main menu. So after doing this, you can even go on your Android phone. As I showed you before start, you can go on your Android phone and start chatting with friends. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn the notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV.